Hey guys, Cameron Snow here with another video, and today we're going to be looking at another great product by I Am Wealth Builders. They've gone ahead and created blog niche tools, and it's going to be sold on JVZoo. So I would definitely check out the links in the description of this video to check the sales page for this new product. So it's essentially 3 blog tools in one plugin. It's going to be for a WordPress blog, and it's basically going to spit out tons and tons of hyper profitable niche blogs in just minutes, guys. So you'll have tons of unlimited content to put on all your blogs to get a lot of traffic and profit for your online business, guys. So I'm excited, and let's go ahead and get into this review, guys. Alright guys, so I Am Wealth Builders coming out with blog niche tools on JVZoo. The link to the sales page will be in the description of the video if you would like to get some more information about this new product and software plugin. So it's a collection of 3 essential blog tools in one plugin, right? You're going to be able to find trending keywords, free stock photos, and it's also going to have a bulk article importer integrated in there as well. So a few of some really good tools to add to your WordPress blog. WordPress, sorry about that. So it's going to be going live at 11 a.m. sharp on Wednesday the 14th. This video should be out just about that time in October, and it's only going to be a 4-day launch, so definitely check it out while you can. So you can then drill down into each keyword result to see the search engine results page. I'm just getting back into the blog niche tools description I have included right here on this Google Doc. So you'll be able to just enter a keyword and instantly get relevant photos that'll start appearing. You can either download them to your computer or use them elsewhere. With the one-click touch, you can add them to the WordPress media library for use in your posts and pages. So this bulk article importer is going to allow you to import PLR text articles into your WordPress site so that can be used as post content, guys. So another easily viable way to get free content for your blog. Each import allows you to set the author, category, and status, and whether to post each article over time, effectively setting up a drip feed of articles, guys. So it's going to be looking very organized and professionally done. I'm going to go ahead and take a look at this demo video we have for you here. So the first step is content, right guys? Content. Oh, he just said it right there. I'm going to mute this. Sorry about that. I'll include this video in the description as well of the video, so you guys can check it out later if you desire to. Alright. So we're going to go down to the bulk article importer right here. I'm just going to walk you through it a little bit. You're going to hit browse, and then you can check what you have saved to your files and import it. And then you're going to click upload zip for processing. And here are some really cool options that you can use to customize it. So you can schedule it to post it every 5 hours. So kind of like an email marketing campaign where you set up an email, and then you can have it post to all of your email list subscribers whenever you feel it is necessary to post, and send it out to them, kind of like a mass email system. So this is kind of what that is. You can select the article, the author, and then you'll finally see your imported article. So if you see this account already has seven articles were run yesterday. Sorry about the background noise if you hear anything. So you'll see those imported articles up here. Then you go into posts, all posts, and then you'll see everything that is entitled to your 7 posts already. Obviously, you won't have this in your account when you start up. This is just a demo account that we've been given. And then, guys, the second step is going to be keyword research. So we'll go over to trending keywords here, and we're going to put in debt management just as an example, because that's what we had our other 7 posts on already. And then you'll see a bunch of different keywords on a bunch of different platforms, such as YouTube, Bing, Amazon, eBay, Google, Yahoo. Obviously, Google is the most popular and the one you're going to be looking for the most keywords for. But these are really easy to rank on keywords. You just copy the keywords, and then you get a bulk list of viable keywords that you can help rank your blog on for SEO, guys. And SEO is extremely important for any online business, because online businesses are all about traffic. If you get buyer traffic, sales traffic, any kind of viewer traffic is always going to lead to monetary success and value, guys, right? So then you can also check out free stock photos, kind of how we did for the keyword research. Sorry about the background noise again. And you'll be able to find free stock photos on sites like Pixabay, but it'll all be right in front of you as shown right here. Easily navigatable and everything like that, guys. So yeah, I'm gonna click off of this demo video for now. You guys can check it out on your own time again if you'd like. Just walking you through a couple of the features within the plugin. So the front end of Blog Niche Tools 3-in-1 plugin is going to be $12 to $17 on the dime sale at 50%, guys. So really not bad at all. Upsell number 1 is going to be the Done For You article library. Upsell number 2 is going to be the WordPress Toolkit Ultimate Ads plugin. And upsell number 3 is going to be the WordPress Toolkit. So let's go ahead and take a look at the front end preview page. So Cyber Monday, limited special offer, get 20K articles thrown in. So definitely make sure you check that out if that sounds like a good deal to you. So you're going to get the WordPress Toolkit Niche Blog Tools plugin for just $97, $19 one-time payment today. Sorry about that. So today it's going to be $17. A great deal for you guys. Very cheap and affordable. And it's going to be instant access plus a 30-day money-back guarantee. So that is always super helpful. So you're going to get the easy research, free images, bulk import. And then here are a bunch of testimonials as well on this page. So it says, every blogger I know, I have banged their head against the wall. Oh, sorry, I don't know how to read, guys. I'm not even going to try that again. I don't want to embarrass myself again. So it says, keyword research has gotten really hard. Setting up a niche blog takes a lot of time. And basically this cancels out all that unneeded, unnecessary waste of time. Alright, that's pretty sweet. I'll just scroll down to the bottom of the page. So it's just got a lot more of an explanation of what you're getting. Another 30-day money-back guarantee shown there. There's one small catch. When the countdown timer below reaches 0, this page will be taken down forever. And then you would have to purchase the 3 plugins separately for at least $47 each. Guys, so let's not miss out on this offer. I would definitely check it out the next 4 days if it's interesting to you. So now we're going to check out the one-time offer preview. So you can add the 100K mega article pack to your order today. It also has a 30-day money-back guarantee. And so it says you can instantly kickstart your niche blogging profits with over 100K high-quality blog posts already done for you. So that's a really cool addition. A little upsell we have there. And it's going to be another $17 for you. So that is really cool. Again, this is really affordable so far, right? Now let's take a look at the sales page before we end this review video for you guys today. So all in all, you're basically getting the world's first all-inclusive 3-in-1 blogging toolkit, and it's going to automatically spit out unlimited hyper-profitable niche blogs in minutes, as I've already stated before. Guys, you don't need any experience. No skills are necessary. Most of the software reviews I even do, especially lately, it's all done for you guys. It's plug and play. You really don't need too many skills. I know a lot of you guys don't really want to buy a course on affiliate marketing, or you don't want to buy a course on how to make money online, or you don't want to buy a course on starting your own online business. Well, here it is, guys. You don't need to go and buy a course as long as you have a little bit of background knowledge and you're constantly learning about this field and subject. These kind of products are really going to take your business to the next level, even if you're just now starting out. So, very affordable, guys. I'm just going to take a scroll through. We've already seen these testimonials. There's just some more exemplary information here. 30-day money-back guarantee on each upsell. And that's going to be it, guys. Thank you for checking out this video. Stay tuned for another one soon. Check the links in the description for more information, guys. I hope you have a great day. Thanks.